Our front door deadbolt has been upgraded to the DESLOC B200, and we've been enjoying keyless entry. It supports physical keys, of course, the IC card, and most importantly, everybody in our house has a fingerprint, or 2 fingerprints registered, so we never have to worry about carrying keys or losing keys. The smart lock is a very important component of home automation and security. Since the fingerprint sensor is so fast and reliable, I never have the need to use the password lock anymore. It's powered by 4 AA batteries that last about 12 months. What if the door is locked and the batteries are dead or removed? Use a USB power bank. Any USB power bank will do. USB-C cable. As soon as it's plugged in, the power is back, so you can connect power from the outside. Works perfectly. A phone app to remotely lock it or unlock it. It even keeps detailed records of the lock access logs, so I can see who accessed the door at what time. This app is very well done. It even has the option to get the notification for unlocked events. More on this app later. Let me show you how to get it installed first. Everything included in the box. Starting from the left side, we got 2 IC cards, 5 regular physical keys as backups, lots of screws clearly labeled for installation, the interior lock that is powered by 4 AA batteries, which are included, exterior lock that has a fingerprint sensor, keypads, keyhole, USB port for power backup. Even if these batteries run out, we can still plug in a battery bank to drive this thing. The mounting plate, striking plate, deadbolt, user manual, and the drilling template. I started by removing the old lock. My wife and kids complained about its fingerprint sensor accuracy all the time. This clip was recorded before the uninstallation just to show you how poorly the old one performed. And we've been living with it for the past 2 years. If this hole is further away from the edge, you can actually turn the deadbolt to increase the length, so you can have a better fit. But for me, it's just a drop-in perfect fit. Keep in mind this side faces up. It has a little label there. Sure, the deadbolt is in the unlocked position. Now let's install the exterior lock. Insert the rod, route the cable, and these 2 screw mounting poles. Mounting plate. Peel off this tape. It says top cable hole. When putting in these 2 mounting plate screws, I would recommend to use the other hand to support the whole thing and make slight adjustment to make sure it is vertical. Interior lock installation. Make sure the batteries are not installed. Connect the cable, the open position, so this hole can be lined up with this rod. 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Install batteries. With the lock installed, let's add it to the app so we can control it remotely. Touch keypad to activate the Bluetooth connection. Go to the app. Door lock. Next. It can do an automatic scan and find the nearby Bluetooth. Successful. I actually heard a prompt. Assign a name. I'll just rename it to front door. Okay. Open to the right, open to the left. lock. Touch to unlock, hold to lock. Awesome. Fingerprints. Add fingerprint. Permanent. Let's do left first. Next. It'll be required to place the finger to the sensor several times. Okay.
Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Successful. Long hold this button. Yes, to lock. Unlock. Awesome. Let's see. It stores up to 50 fingerprints. So I asked my wife and kids to scan at least 2 fingerprints each. I think it would be a very good idea to generate a passcode just in case my thumb or any of these fingers get hurt or damaged with a damaged fingerprint. So I can still use the keypad, right? It could be timed, one time, or permanent. I'm gonna choose permanent. So I'm gonna use my name, Kyle, my first password, generate. And this code doesn't seem like it can be modified. Or if I can use a custom passcode, I'll type in Kyle2. This is like, I'm just gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set password. Okay, let's try this one, complete. I'm gonna lock it first. Lock it first. Unlock. Let's add some cards. Insert from here. Yeah, just use it as a regular key. Let's add a card. We have 2 cards. I'm gonna make it permanent or timed. You can definitely share this one with a guest. Just gonna call it card 1 next.
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
Input successful. That was quick. The next step, I'm gonna add this G2 USB-C powered gateway, which enables the Wi-Fi connectivity. When it's flashing alternatively, I should be able to get the Wi-Fi signal. So it connects to the lock using Bluetooth, I think, and then it will be able to connect to my home Wi-Fi network. Done. The power consumption of this G2 gateway is incredibly low. I cannot even get it to register an amperage on my power meter, which means it's not going to create a huge electricity bill, even if I have it connected to my wall power outlet permanently. So I keep it close to the door, plug it in to the power outlet, and this should give me Wi-Fi access control. That was really quick. Only takes 0.3 seconds to recognize the fingerprint. Lock it. Yeah, seems very reliable. By the physical key. Locked. I want to quickly go over the app a little bit as I really like its functionality. There's only one thing I don't like is that I have to click this icon to check the locked status. Now I see it is unlocked. I can long press to actually lock it. I prefer this icon that shows the locking status instead of just one symbol icon like that. There's E keys and looks like it can be set up. and send as email, as one-time, permanent, or reoccurring, so you can give other people access remotely. Passcode, which we already went over. I can also change the passcode here. Again, it has the ability to create a permanent one, a reoccurring one, or a one-time passcode. This is a very good feature because if I go on vacation, I want to have my neighbors to come over and check on my cats and get them, refresh the water supply, something like that. This is the RF cards. I have 2 cards. I can remove them, reset them. Fingerprints, we already went over this. Now the whole family has at least 2 fingerprints registered for each person. I also find this reminder feature, but it kind of it needs a subscription. So when they enter the, for example, if myself goes in, but it requires a subscription. So I'm not gonna dive into details here. Or end days without door opening, forced door opening, low battery. Set a reminder, but again, it needs advanced feature is a subscription only. Authorized admin. Records. So that's basically a list of entry logs. See how the door was opened by using the passcode, fingerprint, the pin, or anyway, keys, settings, basics. The battery level is displayed. Yeah, I forgot to mention the battery level is displayed up there. It will go through, if I'm on the network, it will go through Wi-Fi to check all these attributes of the door lock. Gateway status, Wi-Fi signal is displayed. Automatic lock, yeah, this is maybe a very good feature to enable because sometimes I forget to lock the door. So if I want to set it to 15 seconds, if I close the door, I forgot to lock it manually, this will do it. It will automatically lock the door. There's a reset button, yeah. In the interior lock, there's a button that can be used to reset everything. Firmware update, and there's a calibration for its internal clock and calibrate time. Looks like it has to be connected remotely to the lock and to make sure the time stamp is correct. Amazon Alexa integration and Google Home Assistant integration. I did manually turn on this. I think by default it is off. So it's a very nice feature to have, so I can know if kids are home, Wi-Fi home, because it's going to be based on their fingerprints, right? Or their password. Just make sure all the passwords or fingerprints here has the named correctly to make it easier to identify each person who accessed the front door. Yeah, that's basically it.